Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about spring cleaning, but before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications on so that you are alerted every single week when I drop a new video on this channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some spring cleaning tips for sellers, things that are really going to maximize your space and allow these buyers to be able to come, really appreciate the space, and submit those high offers. So let's get started. So tip number one is going to be to declutter. We definitely want to open up the space, get rid of all those bulky large items that are essentially taking valuable real estate inside of your home. This is a time to clean, to donate, to sell, and to even put things in storage or your garage. Tip two is going to be to fix and repair those items inside your house that need that love and attention. So that might be a leaky faucet, some wonky handles on those cabinets, things that you've been noticing that really have been deteriorated and need to be swapped out and refreshed. Tip number three is going to be paint. We want to make sure that we refresh those walls, that they are blank canvases for the new buyers that are moving in. So your colors of choice are going to be those soft whites and also those light grays. But also if your house needs a refresh on the outside to really give it that curb appeal, you can also paint the trim and the exterior of the house. And tip number four is to give every single room in your house a purpose. Maybe you have a bonus room or an enclosed patio. We can stage those to look like a at-home gym or an office space. Buyers right now are really looking to maximize space and to give different rooms in their house a purpose. Hopefully these tips were helpful. If you are thinking of selling, then let's make sure we connect so that I can help guide you through that home selling process. I'll see you guys next week for another video on this channel. Bye!